David Beers here today to talk about negligent security. Negligent security is a tort concept in Florida, tort meaning civil remedy. Basically what the courts have decided is that if a business owner, or such as an apartment complex or a shopping mall, if they have knowledge of previous claims made against individuals who are guests on the property, and these can be criminal acts against their guests, then that organization, the entity that controls the property, that owns the property, has a non-delegable duty to provide a safe place. So in other words, the law requires those landowners to take precautions, to take safeguards, and to adopt measures that will lessen the possibility of a significant injury from a criminal attack. Many people think that if you're a victim of crime, well, you have the criminal justice system and that's your only recompense. But that's not true. If the injury does occur, in one of these public locations where there is known to have a potential for criminal activity, then the burden shifts to an analysis of whether or not the landowner has met the standard of security that should be provided by a landowner acting under like or similar circumstances and operating, for example, an apartment complex or a shopping mall. At Beers & Gordon, both Jim and I were insurance defense attorneys before we became plaintiff's attorneys representing victims many years ago. But in our previous life, so to speak, as insurance defense attorneys, we represented many shopping centers, owners of commercial properties that were alleged to be negligent as a result of the way the criminal attack did occur, injuring victims. And so as a result, when we switched over to represent solely victims many years ago, we have accepted and been successful in obtaining results for families, including knife attack that occurred on the premises of an apartment complex where the mother of two and a wife was killed. And we were successful in proving that the apartment complex had knowledge that these types of criminal attacks were occurring on their premises, and they did not have the appropriate cameras. They did not have, they fired the security company that they had for financial reasons. And as a result, we were very successful with that case. And so we have the expertise and the knowledge, and we have the resources to prosecute a claim such as this. So if you have a friend, a family member, a loved one who has been injured as a result of a criminal event that has occurred on a commercial property, please consider calling Beers & Gordon.